Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing and exploring how you can start earning on Upwork.com. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, Upwork offers a platform to showcase your skills and connect with clients from around the globe. First things first, let's get you signed up on Upwork. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just head to Upwork.com, click on Sign Up, and fill in your basic details. You will receive an email to verify your account. Make sure to create a professional profile that highlights your skills, experience, and what you can bring to the table. Once you're in, explore the diverse range of job categories available. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or offer any other skill, there's a category for you. Here you can see so many job posts. Take a look. There is a business logo design job posted 46 minutes ago. If you are a talented logo designer, here is a chance for you. Let's talk about submitting proposals. A proposal is your chance to impress clients and stand out from the crowd. Start by addressing the client personally and showing that you've read their project details. Then, demonstrate your understanding of their needs and how your skills can provide a solution. Highlight relevant experience and past work, but remember, quality is more important than quantity. Tailor each proposal to the specific job. It goes a long way. Before you start typing, research the client and their project thoroughly. Keep your proposal concise and easy to read. Consider using bullet points or numbered lists. And always proofread before hitting that submit button. Ready for some bonus tips to boost your Upwork success? First, create a portfolio that showcases your best work. It's like your freelancing resume. Second, request testimonials from previous clients to build trust and credibility. Third, be responsive. Timely communication shows professionalism. And finally, when setting your rates, find a balance between what you're worth and the market rates. Remember, you're not just competing on price, but on value. There you have it, a comprehensive review and guide to getting started on Upwork.com. Subscribe our channel and see you in next video.